Now let's learn how we can use the solution of differential equation in analysis of steady state thermal conduction. Okay, let us suppose I have a slab over here. The thickness of this slab, let us say, is dx. Okay, so this length is dx. Okay, let us suppose this surface of the slab is at a temperature T1. Okay, and let us suppose the surface which is at the other end, okay, which is below this block, is at a temperature T2. Okay, let us say that T1 minus T2 is equal to dt, okay, and is constant. Okay, then we have what is known as a steady state. Okay, if your T1 minus T2 is constant, then you have a steady state. Now let us say this surface area is equal to A. Then the rate of transfer of heat across the slab specified by Q is equal to minus K into A dt by dx. Okay, so essentially this is a differential equation that would give you the relationship between temperature at a certain distance. Okay, so if you want to find out what is the temperature, let's say at this portion of the slab, at this cross section of the slab, which is, let's say, at a distance of x by 2, then you can use it by finding out the formula by solving this differential equation, which is going to give you a function between temperature and distance. Okay, so over here in this particular equation, your Q is rate of transfer of heat. Okay, it is going to be a constant quantity. Okay, rate of transfer of heat, which is expressed in calories per second. Okay, your K is coefficient of thermal conductivity. Okay, your A is the surface area and your T is the temperature and your X is your distance from a surface which is at a particular temperature. Okay, so now let's look at an example. Over here I have a pipe which is of radius 10 centimeter and which is protected by an insulation of thickness 5 centimeter. Okay, so if this is your pipe, then this length is 10 centimeter and this thickness is 5 centimeter. Okay, or this length is 5 centimeter. It is given that the pipe carries steam at 150 degrees centigrade. So inside this pipe you have some steam which is at a temperature 150 degrees C, and the temperature of outer surface of insulation is 40 degrees C. So the temperature of this outer surface is 40 degrees centigrade. We are supposed to find the heat loss per hour if coefficient of thermal conductivity is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 and the length of the pipe is 2 meters. Okay, let's analyze a small surface of this pipe which is at a distance x from here. Okay, so I want to analyze the surface which is this one. Okay, let me draw it separately. So if this is that surface, okay, let us suppose it is of thickness dx. Okay, it is something like this. Okay, so what you have over here is this distance is x, this distance is